Okay, y'all, I want to show you guys a quick little something that I can show you guys in Design Space. Um, I'm recording from my phone, so if the quality, as long as you guys can see. Okay, so what you want to do, if you want to like make words into like different colors like this, is easy if you have Cricut Design Space. But know that you have to print it as a print and cut for it to cut out like that, or sublimation. Okay, so what you do is you go to the internet and you find like whatever PNG, like say for instance you want like a rainbow, a glitter, a colorful glitter background, right? Okay, we're gonna find something cute. Let's see. That's cute. Let's find like a glitter background. I had that one, but I'm gonna do another one so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Okay, let's use this one. Well, no, that's a play. Okay, we're gonna try to find one with like good quality. Let's see. So many to choose from, y'all. Hold up. Okay, let's just pick. Let's pick this one. Okay, and I'm going to save it. Okay. I'll save it. Whatever. Okay, we're going to go back to Cricut. And what we're going to do is we're going to press upload. We're going to upload the image. Browse. This is the image we're looking for. Open. I always press complex. Apply and continue. That is a print and cut. Upload. Okay. So we're going to take this image. We're going to put it in our canvas. Okay. I'll make it a little bit bigger so we can see what we're doing. Okay. So, and I'm just going to print a word. I'll print Jesus. Okay, print Jesus. I'll get it. Make it kind of big because I want it to, so you guys can see. Make it big. Okay. So I want to be right there because you see how it go like blurry, then it go like right there, then blurry again. So I want to like in between. So what you do is you take your cursor and you highlight both. Okay. Then you go down to right here, press slice. So what it's going to do, it's going to slice it out, and then you're going to have yourself your words. Delete this, see that? And you have your word in, you can delete this. You have your words in the glitter. So yeah, that's a little quick tutorial. Now if you want to do an offset, you go to offset in the back of that. Let's see. See that? And you changed and you made something pretty. You can even do your offset. Let me show you. Take this off. We can bring another color in here. Add that to the canvas. And we can bring this color in here. Click on it. Click on it and gonna bring it forward. Bring this forward. Oh yeah. Bring it in front. Whichever way, y'all know what I was trying to do. Trying to get this to the top, and then you can do this and you can slice it and it will make it will make this. And look, see, and you can do this. See that? Bam. And you have like an offset of a pretty background color and the other glitter. So yeah, y'all, that is a quick little tutorial I wanted to show you guys. That's in Cricut Design Speeds. And no, I don't work with Cameo. I don't know nothing about Silhouette. Yeah. So if you guys want some other little tutorials that I know of, y'all let me know. Walk in love, because Jesus is love. And if you love Jesus, you definitely walk in love too. See you guys later.